Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will going to show you how to make this micro bikini top. Okay, and it's very cute. Okay, so I'm not going to make this long. Okay, it will be a very quick. So if you do have your notes and stuff, get ready, and I will be going through with you. But for now I will be showing you how I started this. So I started from the chain. Okay, so this is the strap. So with this one is I'm going to use a cotton yarn, and it's a cotton yarn 4-ply. Okay, and I will be using crochet 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is just make your string. So by making the string, okay, so with this one, okay, because this one will be small, okay, I did use 4 millimeter hook, okay, for the string. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you're just going to do, okay, the chain, okay, and how long you want it. Okay, so and then, okay, you just have to continue until how long you need it, and then we're going to jump on making this. Okay, so from there, okay, you have to hold this last chain there, and we are going to then add then now we're going to swap. Okay, so you have that last chain, you block that. Okay, so you block the last chain, then we are going then to chain 3. Okay, and then we are going to do a double crochet in the same space, okay, 3 times. Okay, and then from there I'm going to chain 3 and turn our work, and then in this first chain here I am going to add 1 more double crochet. Okay, and then in the middle is just a normal double crochet, and then the last one we are going to put 2 double crochet for that one. Okay, so that will be a double crochet. Okay, so that's how I started. Okay, so then you're just going to continue chain 3, okay, and then going back. So now take your note, okay, because I will be going this with you. Okay, so after that, okay, so the first chain, okay, so you have a chain 3, okay, and then in the same stitch you have to add 1 more double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the next, and then in the middle you are going to put 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the last 2 double crochet. Okay, and then here, okay, so 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Okay, so chain 3, 2 double crochet there, and then double crochet, okay, and then to the next stitch 2 double crochet, and to the next stitch 2 double crochet, and then double crochet, and with this one is just one double crochet. Okay, and then the last one double crochet. Okay, so the next one, this row. Okay, so we didn't increase. Oh no, we have increased here, so two double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and in the middle we have three double crochet, and then double crochet here, and the last two double crochet, and here is two double crochet in the first, and it's and then double crochet here, and then into the middle part. Okay, so two in the middle part there. So I will show you 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that is single double crochet, so one double crochet in each chain, and then the sixth, okay, two double crochet, the seventh, two double crochet, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one double crochet each, and then we have here double crochet. Okay, two double crochet, and then here it's two double crochet, and then double crochet here, no increase, and the last double crochet, and then here, so here no increase, so the next stitch chain 3, the next stitch double crochet until the end. Okay, and then here it's the same, no increase, here in this same, and then into the last is the same, no increase. Okay, so as you can see, the shape is there. So we have this middle part here, and it's curl a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so that is very simple, and then you are going to make the same as the last one. Okay, so you have to do that, and then you are just going to make your string. Okay, so this string is the same as I did before. Okay, it's just chain, okay, using a bigger hook. Okay, so a bigger hook. Okay, so now we are going to make the tassels. Okay, so let me just grab okay, so with the tassels, let me just grab a yarn. Okay, so with the tassels you have to decide, okay, how long do you need. Okay, so you can cut a cardboard or anything that you can use. Okay, so with this one I use this one for here. Okay, so you can either use this side here or this side. Okay, so what are we going to do is just place like that. Okay, and then wrap how many times you need. Okay, so and then after that pull it out. Okay, and then like this one. Okay, so you have that, so that's the end of your string. Okay, so that's the end of your string, and what we're going to do is just insert that there. Okay, and then pull that. Okay, so we have what's going on. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is insert that here. Okay, so it's secure. Okay, and after that I'm just going to like hold this. Okay, hold this, but what I'm going to do is just to secure this one. Okay, just to secure this one is I'm going to tie it up into the end of one of the of the yarn. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so it's secure because that's the end of our string. Okay, and then from here is you're just going to we get this one here. Okay, so this is the end of our string. Okay, you can cut it off or anything you want, but with mine is before I cut it off, I wrap around it first. Okay, and then when it's ready, and then that's when I tied it up. Okay, so tied it up there to secure. Okay, and then tied it up again. Okay, yeah, so you have that. Okay, and then all you need to do is just cut this off. Okay, so that is how I made my tassels. Okay, so you can make it a lot. Okay, but this one, because it's a micro, so I just have to put a little bit. Okay, but it's up to you. You can make this like fatter, okay, bigger, okay, if you want, and then just cut this string off, and there you go, you have tassels. Okay guys, thank you very much, and hopefully it's easy enough for you. Okay, yeah, so it's very easy and it's very cute. So with this one is you can make it bigger, you just have to add there, you can adjust and then make the strap, and then you just have to insert it into the bottom. Okay, so that is our last row. Okay, and then I'll put there as well. So it's very easy. Okay, thank you very much guys, and this one is beautiful color. Hope you loved this video, and please don't forget to like, thumbs up, leave a thumbs up, share the video. If you're new, please subscribe into my channel. I will appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next video. See you guys, stay safe, bye.